My name is Sydney over at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough in the Sprinter van sales. Today I wanted to show you guys this 2025 Sprinter van I currently have here available. It is a 144 wheelbase standard roof all-wheel drive. Now, some cool things about this van is it has a passenger fixed window as well as a driver's side rear fixed window. Now, if I open up this van, give you guys a look at the inside. It has the flooring with the D-rings and wall paneling, and you can see right over there the driver's side window on this van. And then if I come over here to the back, it's got your side step right there along with a trailer hitch setup as well. And this one does have the wider opening doors as well on here. Has a rear window set up, black wheels, and to take you inside the driver's side of this van, this one has powered seats. It has a heated steering wheel, heated seats, also has driver's assistance package on it with the lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring, as well as adaptive cruise control. And this also has the MBUX package and the digital rear view camera as well. That is awesome, especially when you're doing driving in a lot of traffic. It definitely comes in handy at times. This is also a high output diesel, and it is in the color of blue gray. If you guys have any questions, please give me a call over at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, and I'd love to show you more on this van.